tours to a free Athens walk. We start our walk from Syntagma towards Philopappos Hill with scenic views of Acropolis of Athens along the route. Syntagma Square serves as the geographic and historic heart of Athens. It's a social and cultural hub, surrounded by grand buildings and the Greek Parliament. The square is within walking distance of several attractions, including the Acropolis, ancient Agora, Areopagus, and the Temple of Olympian Zeus. The National Garden covers almost 16 hectares and has scenic walking routes. Next is Temple of Zeus. There is an excellent view of the Acropolis from here. The Roman Agora is a captivating historical site located north of the Acropolis and constructed around 100 meters east of the original Agora. The Roman Agora was built between 27 BC and 17 BC by Eucles of Marathon. The site has not been fully excavated, but you can explore its remains. Next is Hadrian's Library. Hadrian's Library was created by Roman Emperor Hadrian in 132 AD, which followed a typical Roman forum architectural style. Next we climbed Areopagus Hill, which provides excellent bird's-eye view of Athens. Next we climbed Philopappos Hill, which has probably the best views of the Acropolis of Athens from a hill nearby.